Hey guys, we received this NEENCA knee braces or the compression sleeves. So for test and try. So this knee sleeves is a two pack, so for both knees, and this have a gel top for the knee and the side string non-slip design, as you can see on the top, and then it's easy to wear as a sleeve or the socks on your knees. Comfortable material, easy to wash, flexible sides, and also you can wash in your washing machine cycle. So it's easy to wear, so this holds well. And then also you can see that the knee and the side strengthens. For the standing, the walking purpose is a non-slip design, so it's good and can be used by anyone for your knee sleeves purpose.